Good afternoon, everybody. We got lovely Bella here. All right, we doing forward-way parking and reverse-way parking. She's really good at it. Yes.
Yeah.
Really good. So now what we're gonna do? We are already parked here in the bay. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna move off forward. Then she's gonna do a reverse-way parking. Go for it. Yeah. You wanna comment it? What you're gonna do? Yes.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do first? Good, perfect. So the front of the car to go to my side, to the left side.
Yeah.
Yes. Good. Perfect. Beautiful. Good. Right. So tell us what we're gonna do. What we are now first. Where our car is. Where the car is.
You need to be slightly more in the middle.
Okay. So show us how you're gonna put the car in the middle. Just through step by step. What you're gonna do.
Gonna move forwards and line my shoulder up.
Okay.
The
Good.
line.
So you're gonna line up your shoulder with the white line. Good. And how many bays you're gonna leave empty, and which bay you're going to go in the bay.
Leave two empty and then the one behind those two.
Okay, so you leave two bays empty and you're going to bay number 3. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so now you lined up, so your car is in the middle, correct? So you line up your shoulder with the first line, and then you're counting 2 lines, and then you're going to bay number 3. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, so now you've done that. What's the next step? What's
Check.
it? So before you that, when I ask you what's the next step, what do you do?
Move into reverse.
Correct. So you put the reverse, yes?
Yeah.
So what are you gonna do now?
Check surroundings and then
Good.
signal left.
Good. Well done. Good. What are you to do now?
Move off and then start
Okay.
steering.
Perfect. Good. And as you're going reverse, which direction are you looking?
All around.
Okay. Good. Good. So as you're going all around, looking all around, and what are you looking now? What is your reference? What are you looking for now?
For the white lines to come into the mirror.
Okay. So the 2 white lines, both sides, to appear on your mirrors. Correct?
Yeah.
Is it appear both of them now? Good.
Yeah.
What do you need to do now?
Move the wheel straight.
Correct. Good. What do you need to do now? Which direction are you looking now?
Behind you.
Good. Well done. Perfect. Good. Perfect. Now, is it in the bay?
Yeah.
Yes. You want to secure the car? And you want to open your door and have a look? Good. Yes? In the bay? Yeah? In the bay. Good. And how do you define the reverse bay parking?
It's good.
If anybody wants to learn to drive, anybody that got a driving test, or people who got the license already, they don't know how to do reverse parking, what would you advise anybody?
Make sure the car's in the middle and you can see all around you.
What else?
Make sure you line up your shoulder properly with the line
Good. And what's the next step?
and steer fully in the right direction.
Correct. Next step?
When the lines come into the mirror, make sure you straighten the wheel and then reverse.
If I was learning, I would definitely listen to you. You're a good teacher. Tell you what, you're a good driver instructor. Right. Good. Yes?
Yeah.
Right, okay, so would you like to do one forward as well, please? Yeah? So while you're here, so we're gonna go out from here, so the front of the car is gonna go to my side. Yes? So we're gonna go forward and go to the left side, yeah?
Yeah.
Which side you gonna park? Are you gonna park to the right or to the left?
To the right.
To the right, correct. So in order to park your car on the right hand side, where are you going to position your car?
On the opposite side of the road.
Correct? What's the next step after that?
Then you line up the mirror with the line.
You're going into.
Yeah.
Good. What's the next step, please?
Steer full lock.
When do you steer? Are you going to steer while the car stops, dry steering, or as soon as you remove the foot from the brake gently, then you're gonna steer.
As soon as you remove your foot from the brake.
Good. Okay. Brilliant. And then you can go in there, isn't it? Yeah. So you wanna have a go?
Yeah.
Go for it. Okay. Nice. Okay. So now choose a bay. Okay. So you stop your car, correct?
Yeah.
So we stop our car. We are all the way to opposite side to the left side, and we park into the right side, correct?
Yeah.
Is your mirror past the first line? Yes.
Yeah.
All lined up? Yes. Good.
Yeah.
So now, what's the next step before you go?
Check.
Check.
Surrounding.
Surrounding. Okay. Next step.
Signal right.
Good. Perfect. Next step. Good.
Let go and then
There
steer.
you go. Beautiful. And let's see where the car is gonna end up. Beautiful. Good. There you go. Okay. Secure the car. And you wanna have a look in the bay?
Yeah.
In the bay.
Mhm.
Good. And how's that?
It was good.
Brilliant. Right. Again, what would you advise anybody wants to learn to drive, just wants to brush their parking maneuver? What would you advise?
Make sure your car's on the opposite side of the road to the one you're
Yep.
going on, and line up the mirror properly with the bay you're going in.
Good. Anything else?
Make sure you steer fully to
The direction
Yeah.
you're going, yeah? Good. At what point do you need to steer?
as soon as you let go of the brake.
Good. What would be what would be the risk if somebody not let the foot from the brake to move, let the car move, and then steer dry steering? What could happen?
Damage the car.
Damage the tire, yes. Damage the tire, the bearings, the steering, yes.
Yeah.
And then also, so because you lined up correctly, then if you steer early, the car is not going into the bay. The car is gonna go closer to the right hand side.
Yeah.
If you park into the right hand side, if you park into the left hand side, same thing, yeah. Because you lined up your car, then you fully locking. The car is not moved, correct? You're gonna go either direction, either way steering.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Good. Okay. So are we happy about the forward and the reverse way, or you wanna go one each more? What would you prefer?
I think I'm good with it now.
Both of them.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Right. Okay. Obviously, you can practice with your own lab beginning.
Mhm.
Right. So